Hey, I'm Richard Hunter. I'm from Sage Gardens and Art Studio. And this little guy here is Boo Boo, our dog. And he decided he wanted to join me while I talk to you about what I'm going to be doing next. And what I'm going to be doing next is I'm going to be making some 9-block quilts. The sewing machine I recently bought is a vintage sewing machine. It's a 99K that was made in 1955. It's a Singer. It's a straight stitch sewing machine. Though it does have other attachments where you can do other stitches. I am going to be using that to help me make some quilts for the local veterans here, the Veterans of Valor, I believe it's called. And I'll be making some quilts for them here to be given to the vets. I'm a veteran myself, and so this is kind of a project that's become close to my heart. I want to bring you along and show you as I make some of the quilts and talk with you and just share with you what's going on. Hopefully you'll give me some response and tell me what you think, and we'll just see what goes on from there. So.
for watching the video. Please leave comments and let us know what you liked about this video and what other things that you'd like us to make videos on. Please subscribe, it helps us a lot. We're trying to build a community of retirees and crafters and people who can connect. So we very much appreciate you being here.